These are the few cases I personally remember because I had taken interest in that and so ये गेट टुगेदर का अनाउंसमेंट के बाद हमने बच्चों से पूछा था कि अगर आप में से किसी का कुछ अचीवमेंट है तो आप हमें बताइए, तो एज योर पेरेंट्स वी वुड लाइक टू गिव अ पैट ऑन योर बैक. So, and we were overwhelmed with the response, right? And so much talent is there in this group. So almost 50 citations we have received that students have done something good and they have achieved something, and we would like to felicitate them as we had promised and give them a gift. So I request $1 and Priya to handle this.
गुड मॉर्निंग. एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ. जब से ये प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट हुआ है 2010 में, तभी डॉलर का रेट था 80, मतलब मेरा. अभी क्या है, बढ़ रहा है ना. तो उसी तरह आप लोगों की आपकी स्टडीज में एक्सेल करना है. आज हम लोग ये 45 वी हैव लिस्ट ऑफ 45 स्टूडेंट्स whom we are felicitating. We want all of you to be felicitated. ये ध्यान में रख करके आपको भी कहीं ना कहीं आगे बढ़ना है. I'll request Priya to read out.
Good morning, friends. First name is Kashyap Joshi, Bachelor in Pharmacy, topper in Physical Pharmaceutics, Pharmaceutical Microbiology and Smart India Hackathon 2025 finalist.
Next is Rishi Gihani, BCA. 148 of 150 marks in final year. Built a project to digitize the campus placement management. Rishi, हाँ, is here. तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Rishi was there.
Rudra Kanojia, BE in Electronics and Computer Science. Second prize in the inter-college level hackathon, Tech Pro, and ranking among the top 5% of certified candidates in NPTEL, IIT Roorkee.
Sufyan Sheikh, BDS. Final year topper in pediatric and preventive dentistry.
Bhumika Nawale. Bhumika Nawale is Diploma in Computer Science Engineering, second rank in the national level elocution competition, published a research paper on Form G in IJARCT.
Mansi Gujare, BSc Nursing, topper in pediatric nursing and second rank in third year.
Mansi is the second beneficiary from our family. Her sister has already taken education and completed her repayment.
Adal Chauhan, BHMS, topper in surgery and obstetrics and gynecology.
Sudhir, may I request Ansuya Ben to do the honors? Huh? आगे हाँ सुधीर अंशुया बेन नीचे नीचे अरे आने तो आ रहे हैं सुधीर ने पहले ही बोला यंगेस्ट देखो ऐसे आ गया ऐसे आ गया प्लीज हाँ पश्चिमा में नेक्स्ट इज वैष्णवी कुंभार आईटी इंजीनियरिंग फाइनलिस्ट इन मास्टेक डीप ब्लू हैकाथॉन among the top 16 teams in the AI domain secured an aggregate CGPA of 9.42.
Atharva Gandhi. He's there? Atharva Gandhi. Mummy. Information Technology. Finalist in Hackfest National Hackathon achieved cumulative GPA of 9.63.
Soumya Iyer.
Atharva again is a second beneficiary from their family. उसकी सिस्टर ने पहले ही रीपेमेंट कंप्लीट किया है अक्षता.
Soumya Iyer, BDS, 4th rank in final year BDS MUHS University exams, distinction in 2 subjects.
Hetal Dharam Se. Is there? Hetal Dharam Se? No? MTech Electronics Engineering, second in MTech Electronics and Computer Science.
Samia Sharifa Akhtar, fashion design, developed an innovative thermochromic jacket that changes color according to temperature and weather conditions. The project received wide recognition and was featured in leading newspaper. The jacket gained further popularity after being worn by Bollywood singer Tony Kakkar.
Ishita Gurav, BSc Nursing. She's there? First rank in German AI level final exam. Third rank in innovative competition at KJ Somaiya College of Nursing for a product called Safe Arm Buddy.
Ayan Khan, GNM, got a first prize in cricket. विशाल, उसको टीम में ले लो. हाँ, टीम में ले लो उसको. और जैसे सूर्यवंशी है ना अपना. Sudhir, may I call upon Ramesh ji?
Yeah.
Please. Ramesh ji, please. Anshuman, thank you.
Next is Pooja Vitthal Kadam, GNM, got a first prize in singing competition.
एक मिनट.
Next is Sanaf Khan, computer engineering.
एक.
Pooja, would you like to sing a song? हाँ? एक लाइन इसलिए रिमाइंड दे दो. क्यों? अभी क्यों नहीं? तो अभी इतना ऑडियंस है तो हमको भी मालूम पड़ेगा कि प्राइस बराबर दिया था कि नहीं. अरे सिंगिंग में मिला है. ओके. We have Sanaf Khan, computer engineering, scored 10 on 10 in problem solving in C. मैडम C क्या है ये नहीं समझा हम. In computer language, okay. First prize in poster competition, runners up in Mehndi competition. Oh, select.
Ashish Tripathi, GNM, Best Student Award, Psychiatric Posting.
Ashish has come from Kolhapur and today he has given me a Father's Day gift.
Hina Malik, BSc Biotechnology, second prize in elocution competition.
Hamad Mansoori, Mechanical Engineering, presented research paper on multi-purpose quadcopter at the International Conference on Smart Systems for Sustainable Development along with my co-authors. Completed the Bosch Leap training in Automotive Sales Advisor.
Next is Chavi Rathod, Computer Science and Engineering. First in Redact 2025, built AgriGuard, Adapt 4, FinTech Track winner, first in Startup Hackathon.
Deep Lakshmi Pillai, MA Public Policy, research paper titled Beyond Caste Determinants of Urban Voting Behavior in Mumbai was adjudged the second best of the V. Raja Manikam Prize.
Thank you, Ramesh bhai. We call upon Rauji bhai. Please. Next, Sharwari Kohli, GNM, second prize in fashion show during Cultural Week.
Next is Shashank Waghela, Electrical Engineering, Student of the Year in 25-26, first in push-up and second in skipping.
Thank you.
Charmi Karia, postgraduate diploma in management. Second position in Insight Circle group discussion during the FinTech Summit 2025. First rank in semester 1. Anchored major college events and FinTech Summit 2025. Charmi.
Next is Aryan Yadav, Marine Engineering. Throw ball, gold medal. 4 into 100 meters relay, silver medal. 4 into 400 meters relay, gold medal. Played in hockey team in an inter-college tournament. Second rank in semester 1. Presented paper in Navinautics 2026.
I invite Inder Golani on the dais. He is giving a donation for BLS. Chandra, you can also come please.
Nishant Gaikwad is it? Nishant. Nishant Gaikwad, first prize in design arena competition. He's a computer engineering student.
Thank you.
Please join the call.
इधर भी आ सकते
Next is Krupa Soni, MD. First in biochemistry, first in psychology, second rank in histology in semester 1.
Saigal Shirkar. Is that Saigal Shirkar? He's not here. Bachelor of Pharmacy, gold medal in tug of war in annual sports, honored as Mr. Farewell 2026.
Mona Moria, Master in Computer Science. Second rank in final year.
Thank you.
Next is Dhanashri Yadav. Dhanashri Yadav, Applied Arts, first in print making competition.
Thank you, Hemendra Bhai. May I now invite Deepak Shah, my president. Sneha Singh, Bachelor of Pharmacy. First rank in dodgeball, first rank in tug of war, third rank in inter-college group dance competition, first rank in eco scavenger hunt under Green Club activities.
Next is Neha Matkar, Bachelor of Pharmacy, first prize in Eco Scavenger Hunt, selected as Board of Director, Community Service, Rotrack Club, second prize in essay competition, first in Inter-College Tug of War.
So she is a rotractor. Very nice. Which club? Okay. Congratulations. Next is Tanish Momaya, BTech in Cyber Security. Among top 10 in my class. The president of Rotary. Oh, Rotary Club चालू हो गया यहाँ पर भाई. President of Rotary Club of Mumbai Salt City 26-27. Fourth place in Incon Hackathon.
Next is Vaishnavi Patil.
Right.
She's there, Vaishnavi Patil. She's Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Third rank in first semester, second rank in Kabaddi competition, participated in a 7-day NSS camp. Now we call upon Ashok Gupta ji to honor the students.
Next is Sai Bhosle, Bachelor in Design. Best volunteer for Red Lorry Film Festival and remote internship with Vogue India.
Now next is Sunil Mohanty, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, first prize in national level project competition at Datta Meghe College, third prize in a national level technical paper, participated in state level hackathon at Thakur Complex.
Sunil आना था? Sujal Kashpale, Computer Engineering. Won gold medal in tug of war in annual sports.
Now I would like to call upon PP Rajendra Dulaji to do the honors. Yes.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you.
Madhura Gavle, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. First rank in first term, first rank in quiz competition, and first rank in poster making competition. First.
Deepak Jetawal, Electronic and Telecommunication Engineer. First prize idea presentation at SIES College. First prize in national level project competition.
Now I would like to call upon PP Deepak Lalaji.
Thank you, Raja.
Sujal Pawar, Information Technology, won gold medal in karate.
Sujal Pawar.
Sujal Pawar.
नहीं.
नहीं. Okay.
Harsh Mansatta, Bachelor of Financial Markets. Black belt in Taekwondo, won silver medal in Mayor Cup district level competition.
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है I'm feeling so proud otherwise
Thank you, Deepak. Ashwin bhai, please. Harsh Mansatta, the son of our ex-Rotary member, Bhavesh Mansatta. Kavita is here.
Shriya Khade, Master of Dental Surgery. First prize poster presentation at IAPHD National PG Convention. Second prize in poster presentation at National Conference.
Thank you. Nitin, please join. Aja. Labdi Gandhi, MCA, certified in coding event in TCET. Thank you, Nitin.
No dollar bhai. ID.
Now I invite Seema Joshi, our Priya and Nutan, the woman empowerment. Chalo. Sejal Mahadik, B Pharma, NSS volunteer in college, first prize in annual dance competitions in second year. प्रिया भी लास्ट प्राइज है, मेरा नाम अनाउंस कर दे.
Now PP dollar bhai. Prathamesh Kadam, BTech, selected as president of ISHRE competition in the college DJ Sanghvi. Completed BTech 4th year with 9.67 SGPA. Top corporate finance management subject 99 out of 100. Thank you friends.